Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials. Install a DNS tunneling client like Iodine now, and make sure you can SSH into your remote host. Configure your domain's authoritative a record to point at that server, because DNS tunneling uses queries to that host. Once done, run the server-side daemon on port 53 so it listens for tunneled requests. Make sure firewall rules allow UDP and TCP on port 53. Without that, queries will be blocked and the tunnel cannot start. Now you create the secure link. Generate a shared secret or key that both client and server use, because this prevents casual interception. Launch the client, designate your domain and secret, and confirm it negotiates with the server-side daemon. Once connected, route specific traffic through the tunnel by adding a local route or using the client's built-in proxy, and point your OS DNS resolver to the tunnel interface. Monitor connection, logs for packet exchange, to ensure the tunnel is finished by validating end-to-end behavior. Use ping and DNS lookups to see response timing, then browse a few sites to confirm traffic flows. If performance is poor, remember DNS tunnels are low bandwidth. Reduce background sync or route only essential traffic. Also, split regular DNS versus tunneled data to avoid loops. If things fail, inspect whether port 53 is blocked or rate limited. Verify glue and authoritative records for your domain, and restart both client and server while watching real-time logs to catch errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.